Is the following statement true? Y squared is greater than y. In almost every case, when you take a number and square it, it ends up being larger than the original number. The only time it's not true, the only time that y squared is not greater than y, is when y equals 0, because then it's going to be equal. 0 squared is equal to 0. If y equals 1, again, 1 squared is equal to 1, so it's not going to be greater. And also if y is a positive fraction. If y is a positive fraction, it actually becomes smaller than the original number. Just take a number like 1/2. 1/2 squared becomes 1/4. So the squared number is actually smaller than the original. So the question is really asking, can you eliminate y being 0, 1, or a positive fraction from the running? Statement 1 gives us tells us that y equals, or y is greater than plus or minus 2. Or, y is greater than 2, or less than -2. In both cases, the numbers that we are worried about, on a number line, here's 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. The numbers that we're worried about are basically from here. We're worried about this section of numbers right here. And statement 1 is telling us that y is over here and over here. So statement 1 is sufficient to answer our question. Yes, it is in fact greater. So we get rid of statement 2 on its own, as well as each of the insufficient statements. Statement number 2 tells us that y is greater than -2. So in terms of our number line, this is giving us this range, which does not eliminate this problem range that we were worried about. So statement 2 is insufficient. It's not either one. It is, in fact, just statement 1 on its own.